Hey guys, what's up? So, today we're gonna find some special fonts, so let's get into it. So to start, you have to have some actual CSS. So I just made a quick nav bar. And so, now all you have to do is go Google Fonts, and then come in here, and then you can look through all the fonts that you want, but just once you pick one, so ooh, this is looking nice. So you pick this, and then you come in here, and you want this one. So you select this style, and then you press the embed button. This is what you need, the embed button. And then, so all you have to do, Control C, and then put this in your Control V, and there you go. It's nice and special. That's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.